Hello everybody, Merry Christmas. I hope that you're opening some amazing Christmas gift. Okay, so today's videos we're going to do something really fun. We're going to do a DIY, and this time we are going to turn, hold please, let me show you the screen right now. Did you see this? It is a Walt Disney 50th anniversary jewel ear headband, and it is $750. But we are going to make our own and cost less than $50. And let's get started this video. We're going to turn this to this. What do you think? Okay, so you guys probably watched my video from a couple of days ago talking about Disney 50th anniversary merchandise, and they have this amazing jewel ear and Mickey Mouse head. They're selling from $1,000 to, oh please, let me see how much is this ear again. The ear is $750. I'm going to show you a picture right here. It's absolutely stunning, but $750, it's a lot of money. And we're getting a lot of people to say, let's do a DIY. So we're going to attempt it to try to do this. So I'm going to show you what I have and how we're going to make this happen and how much things cost. I don't want to make my life more difficult. When I do DIY, I want to make it fast and quick. So I went ahead to buy the real Disney Minnie Mouse ear. So I bought the one with a gold sequin already. You can see that. The only thing is the one on the website, the headband itself is a velvet, and then the bow is actual velvet, but the whole thing is sequin, but it's okay. So this is $29. So my goal is to go ahead and put a jewel, rhinestone all around the ear to make it look somewhat like this. And next thing I need is the jewel. I got this from Amazon. I'll put a link below so you can, if you want, you can get it too. So this is a $10.99. It comes with 150 jewel, and I bought the one's yellow gold. Let me show you. But the large piece is only not that many, so there's a couple large pieces right here. Let me show you guys that. Okay, we're gonna glue this on. And speaking about glue this on, I also bought the glue for rhinestone on the fabric. This is $9.99. You can get it at just about everywhere or Amazon. I'll put a link below. And the next thing I have is I was watching other YouTubers when they made the DIY jewel on the fabric. They had this wax tip thing supposed to help to grab the jewel easier. I ordered that, but that never arrived, so I'm going to go ahead and use tweezer. It's not end of the world. We're going to just make it work. And then, yeah, so let's go ahead and get started and see, can I really make this happen, or this is going to be a disaster? Oh my gosh, let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and pour the glue on the plate like this, because I don't want to put this directly on the Mickey ears in case I screw this up. And this is supposed to dry clear. Then I'm going to go ahead to pull out all the big one here, so I can kind of line this out and see how I want this to look. And I believe, hold on, let me see the sizes. Oh, I see they all have 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, all 6. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and focus the front ear. The back ear, we can work it out later, okay? Okay. So let's go ahead to place the big one. I'm going to put this right here close to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use my finger. This is big enough. Kind of just dip this in the glue. I'm going to put this right over here. I think that's, I hope this works. Oh my goodness. Okay, you see that? That's one right there. So I'm going to do both I'm going to try to do exactly the same. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to use the round one. So I really think you do whatever you want to do. I mean, you know, once all this is on there, it will look really pretty. Okay, look somewhat like this. So I'm gonna wait till this dry, and we're gonna come back and see what happens. We'll be right back. It's already been a disaster. I just realized this takes 24 hours to dry. We don't have time for that. So we pull out the big gun here, hot glue gun. So what I've been doing is just use the hot glue gun on the sequins. And so far they stay, but I'm a little bit worried because I had the glue on there first. I tried to wipe it off so the glue gun can touch the sequin itself, but I put a little small rhinestone around there. So what I'm doing right now is I pull all the rhinestone and then make sure they are facing up. This takes the longest time. Then I went ahead to glue the area I want to have a rhinestone, very small amount at a time. So this way, you know, it doesn't dry out too fast. And you know, between all the glitter here, it's so hard to see anything. Oh my goodness. Do this right here, just a very little amount, maybe like a ½ inches. Then I just use tweezer, place the stone on where there's a glue. I think tweezer works just fine, pretty fast. I think there's one more here. Oh no, I don't. Yeah, see? This thing gonna be so heavy. Oh my gosh. But it's definitely for photo. Like very social media friendly. Not for real life, I swear. And I wonder if people who spend the $700, are they really gonna wear that to Disney? Or it's gonna be more like a collectible items? That's fine. Not that noticeable. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to do the small stone. This project is pretty time consuming, but I feel very calm by doing this. If I'm not filming this right now, I would have a TV on and have Christmas music or Christmas movie behind me playing while I'm doing this. Just try to drop the glue on where I want it, but not too thick. I'm going to drop the stone in there. Wow. Okay, so you guys ready to see my final result? What do you think? This side have over 150 jewel on here. 150. The back it's empty because I don't have enough, so I order more the jewel. It should be alright in the next few days, so I will finish up the back. But this is what we have right now. I'm gonna put it on my ear right now. It's quite heavy because all the jewel is in the front, can feel leaning forward a little bit. But once I put it at the back, it should be balanced that out. So what do you think? Do you guys like this? I can't wait to wear this to Disney and we'll see people's reactions. I wonder how many people are gonna say, "Oh, where did you buy that?" I'm like, DIY, DIY. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Transform this year, the boring year, to this one. It looks like a $750 a year. Do you feel like this Do you feel like this looks like $750 a year? Let me know. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Merry Christmas. And let me know if you want me to do more DIY Mickey Mouse a year. I think I'm really into it and I want to make a couple more. Maybe I want to make one for New Year's Eve, all the silver one. Yeah, leave the comment below, let me know. Should I do it? I'll see you guys later. Bye!